Hi. I thought I'd take a minute out of my busy day and read to you. This is another one from my short story collection, The Meat Factory and Other Stories, and put out by Alien Buddha Press. You can find the link where you can buy this thing in the comments or in the description down below, and go out and buy a copy of this. Enjoy it for Christmas. Maybe throw it at your loved ones or something. I don't know. Anyway, the particular story I'm going to read to you, it's real short. It's not like a micro like the last one I wrote, but it's kind of a tone poem of sorts. And I'd say maybe a vignette or a let me think of the term, like a narrative cul-de-sac, kind of sandwiched between some of the larger stories. And this is called Thursday, Sound of Tiny Planets Dying. So outside, the bug zapper is popping and snapping, and naturally I'm thinking about ice cream. I guess that's what they call a trigger these days. Not necessarily in a bad way. Dad always took us out for ice cream as kids, and hey, that was good. Bending down, picking up pieces of flotsam in the blue of the bug light. What about you, you poor brittle bastard? Did you used to be my tooth? I know one of these sons of bitches must be. Hard to see in the blue of the bug light. Every now and again there's a long crackle, things brighten up and something big is dying. A moth or a mayfly or something. I worked 15 years in the food industry. Customers complained about the bug light then, too. Unsanitary, they said. Hey, you think the bug light's bad, you ought to see the flies. Snap. Crackle. At least for tonight, I give up on the tooth. I stumble around till my ass finds a chair. That's a middle American dentistry, kids. We lose our goddamn teeth. We lose a lot of things. Unsanitary. Shit. Little lives are rending to save you and your ice cream, and I don't want to be like Bruce Springsteen and preach at you, but it does sort of mean something. Moment of silence for the eternal rat race of the cosmos. Something, whatever. I'm drunk. That's the trouble in this goddamn town, anyway. Nobody understands the gravity of the little things. People have teeth and they lose teeth, and these bugs who are minding their own business run into the worst day of their lives so you can have your ice cream pure, free, and unmolested. Yesterday I was in the IGA parking lot and I saw this half-eaten corn dog lying in the carriage stall. Might have been the saddest, loneliest sight I'd ever seen. People fought secret wars in Central America precisely for that corn dog. Jesus died so you kids could twerk to your Beyonce music. Screw it. I gotta find that tooth one of these days. Snap, crackle, pop, fizz. Peppermint stick, that was my favorite. Goddamn fucking town. Have a day.